Arithmetic sequence. A sequence whose consecutive terms have common difference. The sequence a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, dot dot dot, and so on, and a sub n is arithmetic if there is d such that a sub 2 minus a sub 1 is equal to d, a sub 3 minus a sub 2 is equal to d, a sub 4 minus a sub 3 is equal to d, and so on. The number d is the common difference in an arithmetic sequence. Like for example, the sequence 5, 25, 45, 65, 85, and so on, where our a sub 1 is equal to 5, a sub 2 is equal to 25, a sub 3 is equal to 45, a sub 4 is equal to 65, and a sub 5 is equal to 85. Is an arithmetic sequence with a common difference of a sub 2 minus a sub 1 is equal to d. Our a sub 2 is 25 minus 5 is equals to 20. That's their common difference, 20. The sequence 3, 17, 31, 45, 59, and so on, and 17, 15, 13, 11, 9, and so on are arithmetic sequence with a common difference of 14 and negative 2. How about the sequence 4, 8, 16, 32, and 64, and so on does not have a common difference. Hence, it is not an arithmetic sequence. Another example, if each term of the arithmetic sequence 3, 7, 11, 15, 19, and so on is increased by 5, does the resulting sequence illustrate an arithmetic sequence? Here's the solution. I will show you. First, add 5 to each term of the given sequence to form. Since our a sub 1 is equals to 3, a sub 2 is equals to 7, a sub 3 is equals to 11, a sub 4 is equals to 15, a sub 5 is equals to 19. Then, let's add 5 by each term. Plus 5, plus 5, plus 5. Ayan. So we have 8, 12, 16, 20, and 24. So the resulting sequence illustrates an arithmetic sequence where our a sub 1 is 8, a sub 2 is 12, a sub 3 is 16, a sub 4 is 20, a sub 5 is 24, with a common difference of 4, because 12 minus 8 is equals to 4, 16 minus 12 is 4, 20 minus 16 is 4, and 24 minus 20 is 4. Therefore, their common difference is 4. The same also with the original sequence. nth term of an arithmetic sequence. To generate the terms of an arithmetic sequence, just keep adding the common difference d up to the last term. That is, if a sub 1 is the first term and d is the common difference, let's start with a sub 2 is equal to a sub 1 plus d. Next, for our a sub 3 or the third term, we have a sub 2 plus d equals open parenthesis a sub 1 plus d close parenthesis plus d is equal to a sub 1 plus 2d, because when we simplify it, just simply add this. Next, for a sub 4 is equal to a sub 3 plus d equals open parenthesis a sub 2 plus d plus 2d close parenthesis plus d is equal to a sub 1 plus 3d. Continuing the pattern gives the general or the nth term of an arithmetic sequence as a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus open parenthesis n minus 1 times d, where our a sub n is the nth term of an arithmetic sequence, while our a sub 1 is the first term, our n is the number of terms, and our d is the common difference. So, this is the formula on how to solve or to determine the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. Let's have an example. First example, the 15th term of an arithmetic sequence 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, and so on. Note that our a sub 1 is equal to 12, our d is equal to 16 minus 12, which is equal to 4, and our n is equal to 15 because we are looking for the 15th term. Using the formula, a sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Then a sub 15, because we are looking for the 15th term. Our a sub 1 is 12 plus our n is 15 because we have 15 terms minus 1 times our common difference, which is 4. Then simplify. So 12 plus 14 times 4. So our a sub 15 is equals to 12 plus 14 times 4 is 56. Then our a sub 15 is equal to 68. Therefore, the 15th term of the sequence 12, 16, 20, 24, 28 is 68. For our second example, 20th term of the sequence whose first term is 6 and whose seventh term is 42. Here in our second example, we need to find the common difference d. But how are we going to find it? Of course, by substituting the value of our a sub 1, which is x, and our a sub 7, which is 42. Using again the same formula, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Since our a sub n or a sub 7 is equals to 42, our a sub 1 is 6 plus our n is 7 minus 1, then our d is unknown. Our a sub 7 again is 42 is equal to 6 plus 7 times 1, or 7 minus 1 is 6 times d. So 42. Then transpose this on the other side. Since it is positive, it becomes negative. So 42 minus 6 is equals to 6d. Then simplify. 42 minus 6 is 36 equals 6d. Divide both sides by 6 so that kuha natin, or we solve the value of our d. So our d is equal to 36, or 36 divided by 6 is 6. It's not done yet. Okay, we need to find the 20th term, or the a sub 20, by substituting again the value of our a sub 1, which is 6. Our d is equal to 6. In our formula, a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So our a sub 20 is equal to, what is the value of our a sub 1? It is 6. 6 plus, what is the value of our n? Our n is 20, because we are looking for the 20th term. Minus 1 times, what is the value of our d, which is 6. Again, simplify. Okay, 6 plus 20 minus 1 is 19 times 6. Okay, so our a sub 20 is equal to 6 plus 114, or 114. So our a sub 20 is equal to 120. Okay, therefore, the 20th term of the sequence, whose first term is 6 and the seventh term is 42, is 120. Last example. Find n when our a sub n is equal to 147. Okay, let a sub 1 is equal to 11, our d is equal to 8, and our a sub n is equal to 147. Again, using the formula, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So our a sub n is 147 equals, our a sub 1 is 11 plus, again we are looking for n. So n minus 1 times our d is 8. So 147 minus 11, because when you transpose this on the other side, since it is positive, it becomes negative, plus, apply the substitution method. Okay, so 8n minus 8. Simplify. 147 minus 11 is 136. Okay, is equals to 8n, or is equal to 8n minus 8. Again, we are looking for the n. So, this we are going to transpose it here. We have 136 plus 8 is equal to 8n. So our 8n is equal to 144. Again, we are looking for the n, therefore divide both sides by 8. So our n is equal to 18. Okay, thus 147 is the 18th term. Okay, so this term is the 18th term, or the a sub 18 is equal to 147. In short, in sequence, the 147 are in the 18th term. Thank you so much. I hope that you've learned a lot about arithmetic sequence and how to solve the common difference, the a sub n, and the n. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, JNix_Mathematics, for more videos about mathematics. Thank you.